Gang, you already. Hey, you already know it. There it is. Raw, focus up. Hey, there it is. Ah, and then the rotation. Hey, yep.
Upper body. Good, chosen.
Ah, there it is. Hey.
This is what you do when you got asshole friends. They put like a drone. You see it? I can't even do content in peace because you got assholes.
Listen, when the shooters shoot. Hey, Raw, say what up.
You teaching me shit about my camera, hold on. Wait, the vertical ones are like way better, hold on.
Yeah, nah, see?
It's ridiculous. Thank you. Can't get over us.